thought we agreed that we are going to wait until after the marriage.
I know, but I'm scared.
I don't want to lose you. Too many girls around you. They want to steal you away from me. Can't you see? I will die you. I will die if you ever left me.
Nothing is going to happen to you. You're not going to die. Eh? God forbid.
I rather break this vow of being untouched than let you leave me. Oh. See, I paid for your hotel room. Let's go.
Eh? You did what? Eh? Look, my love, I am ready to wait. Believe you me, I am ready to wait. In fact, I rather die than lose you. That is here. That is here. See, even if Ibudu refuse to kill you, I'm here. I will struggle with my hands. Ekene, what are you doing here? I should be the one asking you. Because this is my in-law's house.
Who is your wife? This man, what is your problem? What is your problem? Won't you leave me alone?
How? How? Why would I leave you alone? My goat, my sheep, my money. Huh? Still leave you alone. Wait, can somebody tell me what is happening here?
My in-law, nothing they happen. Eh? Nothing they happen. When a man is impotent and suffers from an enlarged scrotum, he begins to blame everybody for his fatherlessness. See, make I tell you. You see law, you know sabi anything when they call juju. If you try rubbish here, I go throw you inside jail, throw away the key.
Ekene, please let me politely ask you this question. Why are you bent on embarrassing me before my wife and my mother-in-law? Ini Edo. Huh? So you also here? You also here? Hey! I was told that this girl is a standby generator for all the men in this community. Dikeh, I was busy supplying meat, supplying things. Eh? So you're also a customer?
Did I beg you? Did I come to your shrine to force you?
You rejected anyone? When you were mourning and screaming like a homeless deity in the bush. Eh? And you so you can saw this. Doing what? Hey. See, let me tell you. This one will not end here. I promise you. You already know who I am. Idiot. Not even one goat will remain. I must recover all.
Idiot. Bad belly people.
Police are me.
See them. My in-law, see, you're not supposed to be mixing up with people like this.
No. That is my brother. That is my brother. So you have been telling me lies. Yeah? You are not a virgin.
Because of that jealousy goat. That jealousy goat that also wanted to rape me. That's why you're calling me a liar, baby. Muanka, you're calling me a liar. In fact, if I don't prove this thing to you today, I'll walk around this village naked.
There's no point for that, too. There is no point for you.
I insist, though.
You insist?
I insist. Ngwa, let's go to the room. Mama.
And enter inside the house. Is it not your husband again? Enter inside.
Kilele. To babo boy, my tap of phone. Well, no jota. Iya were ni o bere ni. Shomon go to so nere ginsin. To babo boy, my tap of phone. Kilele.
My in-law, leave all this plenty thing where they speak this language.
Hey, Buka, where have you been for 4 days?
Mama, is that the question you're supposed to be asking him? Yeah? It's your son, you know him. This boy used money, evil money, to deceive a girl I wanted to marry.
The girl I told you was a public toilet?
Dirty pig. I don't know what they see in that girl.
Can you shut up your mouth? Can you shut up your mouth? Because each time you talk, I want to vomit. Are you mad? Yeah? Mama, that girl in question is the girl that I want to marry. If that girl says no, that she will not marry me, I will kill myself.
God forbid.
Just prepare the burial.
Over who? That Janglova. Hey, Buka. Did your brother not tell you that he has tested her rotten fruits?
But there's nothing rotten about her fruit. Nothing rotten about her. Yamileko, I will forgive you. I will forgive you because you have stayed long in the village. You've mixed up with a lot of illiterates. That's the reason I will forgive you. Those who went to school, educated people, says that knowledge is power. Direct knowledge is absolute power.
Meaning?
Meaning that girl in question, I have visited her holy mountain. I have been on honeymoon with that same girl. Mama, I met her untouched. A virgin. Purest virgin. Mama, I have visited that valley. Deep and very, in fact, dual carriageway. Look at you. Mama, you think you have a son here? You don't have a son here. Tell him to wake up from his dreams. You understand? Look at you. You are a rapist. If you don't know. Oh, you think I don't know? Who rape you? Hey, how can a rapist rape rapist? Or how can somebody rape a rapist? You think I don't know? You think she did not tell me? She told me everything, how you wanted to rape her. In fact, if you have sense, you're supposed to thank me. Without me, you would have been locked up in Kirikiri prison. Most importantly, I thank the kind of mother-in-law that I have. A woman with good heart. Otherwise, by now, you would have been crying, wow, Iyamini, Temi, Bamilobo, in Kirikiri prison, if you don't know.
Look, you will not bring that akona in this house.
Please, who are you? Who are you?
Your wife and mother of your child.
Child?
Yes, no. Me, I'm pregnant, oh, Mama.
Hey! What did you? You come to the back. What is wrong? Oh boy, how far? Okay, I've been calling his phones. They are all switched off. I want to speak with him. It's very important. Please give him the phone. Eh? Hospital? What happened? What's wrong? Fire? Wait, are you saying that fire cut up his house or what? What kind of bad luck is this one? Tire. What kind of a bad luck is this one?
What do you mean you do not understand?
Same thing your ear heard is what I just said. My son is not responsible for your daughter's pregnancy.
Why? Is he impotent? Or did he tell you that his body is there to a woman's touch? I'm not here to drag logic with you. My daughter is pregnant and your son is responsible. Tell him to come and do the right thing.
And what would the right thing be, if I may ask?
Marry her, of course. What else? Or then you are looking for my trouble.
Oh, Mama, my son is not responsible for whatever thing that happened to your daughter. Talk to her, and she will tell you who is responsible for that pain in her stomach.
You know what? It's obvious you do not want this. And I, Afoma, will give you pieces if that boy does not come to claim his child. Look at square.
You, Afoma, will give it to me in pieces.
Bam!
Okay. Hey, Afoma. Like mother, like daughter. Opo handas. Ijiji handi missis. Like mother, like daughter. Newu na ata agba nwa ya na-ene ya anya n'ọnụ.
So while I was giving you my virginity, you were busy sleeping around with that thing that has been going around calling herself your wife. As if that's not enough, she's even pregnant for you.
That girl is a witch.
Yet you jumped on her.
I did not jump on her. As a matter of fact, I was drunk. I never knew what happened. Something is wrong somewhere. Somebody somewhere is making plans to tie that girl to me. That girl Ofunwa.
And you're sure you want to marry me?
She won't sorrow. Can you lay? To Babu Boy, man, about phone, one no jota, to Bano your money. Shobon got to listen. Tie Temi Tieni. Look, I am ready to marry you today. Just to mention it, and it will happen. Just say it.
What was it you said you brought for me?
Alaye kia sorrow. Bawo ni shobon got to sing against the lay or Daroni. I decided to bring you this. It's 100,000.
100,000? But this is not what you promised me.
This was not what I promised you. This one is dash. You understand? The one I promised you for business, that one will come soon.
Okay. See, I will accept this money because you have been nice to me and because I gave you my virginity. See, let me tell you, I will not allow any girl in this village destroy what we have. Never.
Let me promise you now. Having given me your virginity, I am going to keep it intact. I will not use it anyhow. I know you want to hear something about that girl in my house. Yeah, my baby. Askari warenia. Shawarenia. Say yes. Shawarenia means, are you happy now? Shawarenia. Yes. Come back here! Confess now or I kill you! Confess now or I kill you! Come to prison! Confess! I will kill you if you don't confess!
I don't want to kill this girl!
Yes! I want to kill her! Let me tell you, Mama, if this girl doesn't confess, I will kill her! I have killed more than 10 people! I have gone to prison before. I am ready to go to prison again because of this girl. If she doesn't confess, I will kill her and go to prison.
Ebuka, stop this rubbish. What is wrong with you? What's your sister?
Mama, relax. Confess. Are you? Confess.
I will confess. I was a virgin.
Which one is I was a virgin? I was a virgin, no. Talk.
He was disturbing me, telling me he loves me.
Me?
He loves me. And when you didn't come back, they did the burial. He came back again.
He came back again. And so what happened? When he came back? He came back again. And what happened? I'll kill you. Go. I'll cut off your head now.
I allowed him.
You allowed him?
I allowed him. He keeps on coming. I tried to stop him. But he said I'm
Jesus. In my house?
Mama, don't call Jesus. Don't call Jesus here. You heard her. She said he kept coming. Or said all the author. And he kept coming. And you're mentioning Jesus. Let me tell you. Very soon, you're going to call Angel Gabriel, Angel Michael, Angel Uriel, Angel Raphael, all the angels in heaven. Confess. Keep talking.
A week before you came back, I found out I was pregnant. I told him. He said I should come to you so that we can say it's yours.
Thank you very much. You did well. Thank you.
So you have been bringing men inside my house?
God forbid.
God forbid what? God forbid what, Ofunwa? Was it an angel that impregnated you?
No, Mama. It was.
Doko! It was what? It was who?
Brother Kenneth.
Take Kobo. Also the Wale, Belu change. Also the Wale, Belu change. Iwo. Tobo bobo hen. Ima yata ko fu e. Fumo ko na ko ya. Nítorí ko ma ndegbe. Iwo. Also the Belu change. Take Kobo. Odaro. Take Kobo. Odaro. Also the Wale Belu change. Also the Wale Belu change. Odaro. Take Kobo. Odaro.
You have disappointed me.
Hey! Take this body down there now. Onye menjo wili se buri. Omo ni no but I can't do this buri. Ina no but meji men. Eji si buri. Ibu daru. Obo onye mbase nda na atia. Ta ta. Ta. Yeah. I am a done over the boy. It would have Google. It would have Google. It would. I'll be able to get them.
What are all these corpses doing here?
You never see anything. There's no corpse. They come from all the states. Who can?
State what?
Anybody that will kill, we are bringing the person to this evil forest. Birds, fish from there.
But I thought this tradition has long ended.
Has it ended? I'm sorry, Because of it, Mama called me. Forget about that one. I'm not worried again. As a matter of fact, I have relinquished her to you. I am willing to sponsor the wedding. That one is not a problem. The reason I came to this place is I came to tell you that I am ready to take over as the chief priest. It's not like Ibiana. After all, what? You're my brother. Anything that belongs to me, only belongs to you. So there is no Biala one on you. It's the same issue. We called you. 2 elders came. You sent message across. They brought message back that you are dead. That was what you told them before you share money and give them. That was in the past. You people have always wanted me to come back to take my place as the chief priest. I have come. In fact, I have made up my mind to serve Ibudu. Is there anything wrong? But now I have quitted. Now that I am here, it means that I have quitted. You quitted? Stop this your Mbati this thing. How much has Mbati put in your account? Let me tell you. I just opened a bank. I inherited the bank from my ancestors. Forget about that one. That was in the past. We're talking about, billionaires. In fact, no, millionaires. Don't worry. I will send you the address. I will. Odaro. Ibudu. Shopon got to son yen degisini. To baba mwe. E ma ta ba fu. When no jota. To ba no he. Manyu. She were ni sorry. Don't be angry, Ibudu. I to follow me down Yoruba. Agma kushi Yoruba. Ke wona e won ti shiga meeting. Ndị arụsị ndị ọzọ na ala Yoruba. Onwe ka ha shi agba izu ọjọọ gbagide gị. E weekend ya ha na-asụ. Gba he gala international. I'm accusing you, Yoruba. Show me what to say. Oh, Ibudu, what come? I'm me won't take you wine. When I call below, Ibudu, Yoma. Why? I said it. Asikari were in here. Asikari were in Emi no sorrow. Tiete meet yi o wele se wale pelu se to kon ko to so yen de gisi ni asiri bobo ale enwe no jota no de no share. You will marry him.
But Mama, he's serving that juju as if you don't know.
How much did he promise you?
1 million naira in 2 months' time. But the juju.
Obiageli, I know your head is not empty. Use your brain.
Oh, show me that down. You know do me well.
You still talk this story. Let me tell you, Alade. This one is just small thing. Better things are ahead. We have a lot of things to do in the hereafter. So stop emphasizing on this small thing. You know what? Take this.
This one now 1 bond 200,000. Lily, you move 100,000.
That is 100,000.
We don't carry 100,000 do for a deal of 2 million. Why you give me 100,000?
Did we deliver what we were paid for? Did we?
Wait, not be the process of when we want to go deliver this thing and cash me. You know how much I pay before I settle myself from police people? I'm actually go down. Emi, turn me pa. What about Dano Sumigo?
Dano.
Fire, tire.
You said it. You said so.
Now you carry this one, give me. More people be man shey niyan. Mi fẹ́ gbowo ẹ. Wo ma ṣe wèrè fún ẹ sìn. Ma bọ́ṣọ fún ẹ. Èwo ló ṣe? O am 100,000 lórí kini. O fẹ́ kí fún ẹ lọ́pàá ni. Ìlú ẹ̀ mo wà o. àwọn ará lu ìmájà màá tún náà ọba lu ìmájà màá tún náà ọmọ bàbá ẹ̀ màmá ìmájà màá tún náà o máa fún ẹ lọ́pàá o máa fún ẹ lọ́pàá ń sìn wá ìyá ẹ kí ló ṣe you dey keep quiet òun dákẹ́ wò mí you dey keep quiet dey look me.
Your food don't finish. That is the problem with you Yoruba people. Small matter that you will resolve amicably, you will turn it into fight. This is, I just gave you this thing as a token. Use it for transport. You are here shouting, speaking plenty Yoruba, ranting and saying a lot of things. Let me tell you, by right, you're not supposed to be a part to this new arrangement. Yes, you're not supposed to be part of this new arrangement. I brought you in because I remembered in the past. That was the reason I brought you into this new arrangement. Otherwise, you're not supposed to be part of it. Let me tell you, Alade, what you're going to do now is go and get more politicians. From 50 to 60 politicians. I have enough spare parts for all of them.
Yeah, my Leo, that one go hard though. After waiting don't happen, no mortuary go want to deal with me again.
Let me tell you, Alade, I have a mortuary that the freezer does not run dry. I am telling you, in my mortuary, the freezer does not run dry. Always equipped with spare parts.
Oh, William Banier. That one bullion van money.
In fact, for saying this, I don't verse. Make it 100 politicians.
Oh, bullion van here.
See, in my mortuary freezer, I have radiator. I have carburetor. I have wiper. I have shock observer. I even have bow joint.
Hey,
that is to say that there is no amount of politicians you will bring that I will not satisfy. I have all their parts, spare parts. Hey, serve them. I'm telling you.
Toile! Toile! Check it.
Remove the owu. I don't want that one.
No, the head is swell up.
Alade, there is this one you spoke again. You said, because in Yoruba, I know that when a Yoruba man say Oli down for means he's making mockery of the other person. And you're saying, remove.
Okay, no, I know he's already. What?
I should walk. It's all right, I will walk.
All the way from Benin. No, intra.
Chief,
thank you very much. Thank you, Lawyer Tenkobo. Thank you. It don't take when I hear about you. May your sauce never run dry. Now people like Una, they make great men like us to the bigger.
It's all right. You're once again welcome. Chief, your payment slip.
Oh, that's what. No problem now. 200,000 as Alade tell me. You correct?
Chief, it's remaining 10,000 naira. You have to balance us 10,000 naira for washing and setting.
I don't understand which one be washing and setting. A saloon with the.
Bring this package. The other, no, that one. You see? No blood dripping, no smell, very clean. That is washing and setting.
Hey, impressive. Brain box, baskilo and Thank you very much.
It's all right.
I'll give her the money.
Please don't forget. Chief, don't forget to come again.
That's what he talks for sure. I go come again and again and again. That the last person with that. 20 people in one day. Hey. See,
honestly speaking, I thought I go fire all these politicians who say they no go ever eat belly food. Honestly.
If you say God go punish us too with that, because as it be so, we don't blow.
God is an understanding God. He understands with us, so he will not punish us.
We don't close for the day.
So what do we do with this fast?
This one's now tomorrow booking.
Okay, go on the freezer. Go on the freezer. Ombono fini tia malaki Johnny. Ombono fini. Ombono fini tia malati Johnny. Ombono fini. Ombono fini tia malati Johnny. Ombono fini. Obumo. Ombono fini tia malati Johnny. Ombono fini.
You have not said anything about what I said to you. Huh? You were just there looking at me like a he-goat caught eating a stolen cassava.
Oboko, I will answer this question because you are my cousin. If not, I will send you out of this compound. Olo yoten kobo.
Ebuka, chukwu Ebuka. Why are you people behaving as if you don't know God? Jobless Ebuka that just came out from prison.
Prison kwa?
Yes, prison. We know his story. What are you telling me? We know his story. Same Ebuka suddenly start buying cars, buying buildings. Impossible. I don't believe it.
Your problem is jealousy.
Me jealous?
For your information, he gave my husband 500,000 to start a business.
500,000?
Yes.
Jesus. Which husband? Ebuka eats. Ekene.
You are very stupid. Go get out of this compound. Live here.
The truth is always bitter, and I'm telling you the truth is I should leave. No problem at all. If not that you're my cousin, I know you would have given me too. No problem.
Get out of here. If you need money,
you will hear
come and
don't
meet
worry.
him.
I'm going.
We will see the result. Hungry man. Jobless man.
I missed you too. I missed you plenty. Show more Davido ati Whiskey. One share with the phone. One share with the phone.
Ibiakwa. What is that one?
It means my heart belongs to you.
See, Yoruba is too sweet. You see that Lagos? We are going there together.
Eko ni baje. Moti wale. Bere soro. Isn't that Yoruba? That Yoruba land. In fact, the journey to Yoruba land, Lagos State has begun. It has started. Honestly speaking.
I don't understand.
Okay, let me break this thing to you now. I have a very good plan. This plan is, in fact, by the end of this month, I am going to marry you fully. Hey! Don't shout yet. Don't shout. You know, don't shout yet until I unveil the main thing. Now, mo ti sọ fún ẹ, ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ ní ẹnìyẹn sèyí. Tó bá bọ̀ ìwọ̀n mẹ́rin tàbá fún ẹ, tó bá jíde consider, ó ṣe de wọlé, pẹ̀lú change, eléyìí ní, ṣùgbọ́n. It's all right, sorry. To tell you what you are going to, in fact, the things you are going to enjoy the moment you come in as my wife. Part of the enjoyment is here. Eléyìí kẹ̀tẹ́kẹ̀tẹ́ ni, ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ fún ẹ pé don't tell you long. This car is yours. Obi se shawere. Shawere ni. Bere long. Oti were. Oti yawere. Oti yawere. Oti yawere. Oti yawere. Oti yawere bere long. Oti yawere means you can shout as much as Oti yawere. Oti yawere. Oti yawere bere long ni enegi sini. Shogbo. What do you think? Are these people trying to try me? Eh? If anybody tries any nonsense on me, I will show the person why Twali boys call me Oloitenkobo. Oloitenkobo who have traveled far and wide in Yoruba land. Ijebode, Ogunosho, Shumogbo, Oshodi, Emini Osoro, Soro Kiakia, Tobobo, Emma and Tabafue, when we're not Jota, Tobanohi, Manyo, Soro Kiokio, Soro Kiakia, Emini Toriko Mandekwe, Kinele, eh? Skawere Emini Osoro. Oshodi wale, pelu change. Shobo, try me, and you will know why Twale boys call me Tenkobo. What is the problem?
Big problem there.
What is the problem?
Tell us where you get all those money you're throwing about. Tell us where you get them. Say it now, or I expose you.
Ekene, what is this about?
Mama, what else if not jealousy?
Me? Jealousy?
Of course.
Okay, I will expose you.
You will not do it. In fact, Mama, I am not in for this rubbish.
Ask him. Every night he scream and shout. Ask him what is chasing him.
My friend, go, close your mouth. If you need more money, tell me to give you money. Stop allowing poverty to control you.
We need it, oh.
Who be we? Me, I don't need your shameless money. Spare parts dealer.
What did you just call me?
I said you are a spare parts dealer.
Ebuka, when did you start selling parts?
Mama, ignore him.
Huh?
Ignore him.
Ignore who? Me. Ebuka, I am your senior brother. I've watched you, followed you for a number of days now. For over 1 week, I've been following you in the late hours, you get up to the evil forest to go and cut the spare parts of those dead bodies that Ibudu killed. You sell them to politicians. You think I don't know? It's a normal. Breast. Tom. Yeah, tongue. Liver, kidney. Should I continue? These are the spare parts you cut from dead bodies that Ibudu killed, and you go to sell them.
Hey, Mama, are you trying to concur to this thing he's saying? Are you concurring to this? This one is just a mere jealousy. Otherwise, what will he be saying? What?
Hey, Ekene, keep your voice down, please.
Why?
No, tell me, why will I lower my voice, Mama? Why do you hide abomination? Why? People will die, young.
Which abomination?
I just said my own.
Ekene, which abomination? Let me ask you. Are you the chief priest of Ibudu? No. Those dead bodies, do they belong to you? No. The die that will come, is it your die? No. So what is your problem?
So those men that you say you supply material that come from city, Ukuma is the material.
Mama, cool down. Those people, did I kill anyone? Did I kill any person? Those dead bodies are abandoned properties. And instead of animals to come and eat them up, I decided to make them a useful usage. Each nylon bag, each nylon of porridge is sold at 300,000 naira.
Which one is porridge again?
Porridge is liver, kidney, intestine.
300,000.
Or even more.
Hey! Ekene, this is a lot of money. This is better than the goat and the fowl that you bring home. Shineke. This is money.
Mom,
I am surprised that you shout like somebody who sneaked to go and smoke woo-wee. Don't worry. By now you would have looked for boys to tie this idiot down. Tie him with rope. Keep him in one of the churches. You're not shouting.
Tie him down for what one?
I've just said my own. No.
Why should I tie him down? Ebuka, my son, please don't mind your brother. He worries a lot. How can I help you?
Me, I will be secretary.
And what will I be?
Treasurer,
Hey!
They go no.
I like Yamonka. I like the title. Isn't it? Hey!
This is.
What is happening
Mama.
here?
Tenkobo just won a contract of million. Mama.
Million.
Mama,
Hey!
Million.
Yes. Millions.
Call for celebration now.
We are celebrating already.
The title of my
Mama, treasurer.
treasurer. Hey! Now the thing has come to.
Hey, Mama, okay,
My treasurer.
Mama,
Treasurer. Treasurer.
Mama. Hey, Mama. Mama,
In a pocket of the thing.
Oh! Move.
Mama,
See the money,
Mama,
money there here. It's my son's money. Hey, ego mama. Secretary Gambo. Hey, I'm secretary. I'm secretary. Mama. Mama. Hey.
hey, Mama.
Chukwebuka nwa m.
Okay, na agakwa ọzọ.
Chukwebuka nwa m.
My money is still coming, oh.
Ọ na-agha ya. Hey! Ọfụma pick my money, oh. Ọfụma pick it. My son's money. Ego nwa m.
Mama.
Hey! Secretary. Walk obido.
Mama, wait, oh. Mama, go Canada.
Nwamle.
It's still coming.
Nwamle.
Mama, money.
Nwamle. Hey! Hey! You should take it easy.
Mama, can I see take it easy?
Let me pick my money. Come on.
Tó bá mú ìwé ẹ̀ ń dábọ̀ fún ẹ. Wọ́n mú ìnáwó jọ́ta. Tó ń tọrọ lọ́wọ́ wọn nẹ̀gí sí ni. Tó bá náà máa ń yàn. Ó bá ẹ ṣẹlù. Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ wọlé pẹ̀lú change.
Change.
Oh! Tèmi tẹ yí. Tèmi tẹ yí. Ah!
Ebuka, this one is better than change.
This is 10 kobo.
It's bigger than
Eléyìí olóyè 10 kobo ni. Olóyè 10 kobo. Yeah! Olóyè 10 kobo. Olóyè 10 kobo. Olóyè 10 kobo. Olóyè 10 boni. Oloye. Matimabu. Mabru. Matimabu. Matimabu mele. Matimabu mele. Oloye tenkobu. Matimabu mele. Ah. Fumobe. Ah. Ya biligi. Fumobo nan konko he. Toba mabru male. Manjo mabo. Ah. Male manyo mabo. Toba mabo. Mabo.
Obere bana Iti akara jiri. Okogi. Bariba. Bariba no bodo. Bariba. Onye maru simte ebe. Onye maru bute ni ebe. Tuvi na bute ebe. Ode ego ye ego na je wa mi ko ja ina baro na baro Go now! What do we want to do? Where? Where's the other guy? Where? That's what I'm mistaken, Bumu. It's one up in the village. Don't kill me by mistake. The brother made a mistake. I'm going to make you. Ah! Alade, where you go since morning? See, make I tell you, you know they don't turn hot cake for this village. If I ever hear that you impregnated any girl, Yoruba, it's turn suddenly.
See, Ogbeni, me dear, I don't get your time this morning.
What's happened?
Only barrage she me get the way body they do me like say I'm sick.
You can't see you, Alade. You cannot have somebody like Oloye Tenkobo and fall sick. The chief priest of Ibudu is not possible. You understand?
So relax, there's no shaking. I was, before you came, I was doing checks and I'm trying to do checks and balances of spare parts. The ones we supply and the ones remaining. So I'm trying to balance the equation.
Ole thankful. Ole thankful. Ole thankful. Ole thankful.
Like, what is it? What is it? See, this Yoruba boy, if you want to die, you go to Oshogbo. Don't come and die here. Okay. What is this? What is going on? What is happening? Everywhere you would walk. What happened now? Get in the light! Show it in here! Show it in any! You don't come and take away. You would walk. What is happening here? What is happening? What is happening? Get in the light! Get in the light! What's my boy? What did I do wrong? Kill him up, Benny. Kill him alive. Kill him up, Benny. Come on, you man, come here. We want to run to that. Come on, your man. You don't even know what you're doing. Okay, come here. What have I done? What did I do? Kill him up, Benny. Kill him up, Benny. Come on, you man, come here. We want to run to that. Come on,
Obelebe mana holoji. Mana holoji oleji obele ba ko wo. Obelebe mana obo. Omesbo. Ebe. Oh no. Ibu ba bula ni bude. Ba bula ni bude.
So you are responsible for all this. So it is you. Again. Let me be. Let me be.
Bugine pozu garat. Akana bakana. Yeah, the baby. Monye chilakweke nomba, chilakweke nomba, onye bi chilakweke nomba, chilakweke nomba eke yiru wushi nomba, chilakweke nomba.
Please, now, I'm your brother.
Shut up.
I'm your brother, please.
Who's saying that me? If you say you're going to be here, you remain like this for 10 years. Like this. Then after 10 years, you can now humble yourself to serve him.
Again, so you're the one behind this. You're wicked. You're wicked.
You're insulting me. Are you no longer the Oloye Tenkobo and the Yoruba ambassador? You said you are the special advisor to Oluoma of Lagos. You are also the special advisor to Oba of Lagos and a special friend to His Excellency the Governor of Lagos State. Huh?
I'm not again.
You're not again. Why? If you play this gong and it didn't sound well, now you play it so that.
Okay, how do you expect me to play this gong under this condition? Which hand will I use? Ibudu, please, now. Ibudu, please.
Huh? You are making it straight. Okay, no problem. You've forgotten that Ibudu has a mouthpiece. Okay, make it straight since I mean nothing to you. No problem. If you are hungry, thank God you have enough something for your savings account. If you're hungry, you chop from here. Maybe you start from breast. When you finish the breast. Onye Chirakweke n'ọgba, Chirakweke n'ọgba, onye Chirakweke n'ọgba, Chirakweke n'ọgba, eke yiri wusi n'ọgba, Chirakweke n'ọgba. Agba ntị. Ntị anụghị. Mgbe anyị ebe isi. Ntị asa abeg na.
Ndị nwụrụ anwụ everywhere. Hey! Oloye Tenkobo, you've been reduced to Oloye 1 Kobo. Tèmi bá you, tí bá mi. Ṣọgbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ ní ẹnìyàn sí ni tó bá bọ́bọ́ ìwọ̀n ìmáyẹ̀ta bọ̀ fún ẹ. Ibudu, I promised you I will teach you Yoruba. Okay, now, under this condition now, how will it be possible? I cannot even talk well. Please, remember, if I teach you Yoruba, you will go international. How do I do it? Please. Tèmi ti bá you, tí bá mi, Ibudu. Tó bá ná ẹ máa yún. Bẹ́ẹ̀ wẹ̀ nọ́nà jọ́ta.
This one is still here sleeping.
Only tenkobo. Only otide. Kini nele. To baba bo man ta ba fu e. We won no jota. To ntori Ọlọ́run. Tèmi ti ba you, ti e ti ba me. Mama. What have you done to me? What have you done?
Cause no again. When you were busy last night, swallowing 3 wraps of fufu, thought it was a war.
See, Mama, if I tell you what happened to me, honestly speaking, you will faint.
Faint what? For what? You are here sleeping when you're supposed to be on your way to Lagos. Or are you taking night bus?
To where? Lagos. Me go to Lagos. I'm not going to Lagos. See, whatever thing Lagos has for me, Lagos should keep it. I am not interested. If I tell you what I saw, Mama, if you see what I saw, you will not advise me to leave this compound in the next 8 years. Honestly.
Are you not the Oloye Tenkobe again? Are you not the man that say you want to be the most popular Igbo man in Lagos?
Mama, leave all those things. I set them under the influence of one wicked fever that attacked me. Okay, ask me now, what is the meaning of Oloye? Do I even know the meaning of Oloye? I don't even know what Oloye means. See, Mama, my name is Tenkobo. Tenkobo. And that is final. No addition, no subtraction. Tenkobo. I don't even know Oloye. Do I even know the meaning of Oloye?
Okay, Tenkobo.
No addition, no subtraction. Mama, I'm hungry. Do we still have any fufu left? I'm a foolish man. You good? Mama, I'm telling you that I'm hungry and you're going inside. Is it a crime for me to be hungry? See, let me tell you, I'm your child. Come and take care of my responsibilities.
Oloye Tenkobo 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 Tenkobo
Tenkobo Omeka bataga Tenkobo fascinated Obukwa suwago nata Tenkobo Omeka Kulama Majalumbe Onatakbo Bodania Tenkobo fascinated Sopolomo Yoruba Jai yo koko Tenkoba suiwa Hai yo koko Tenkoba niwa Tenkobo serious Na Yoruba wego suwago inanukwa Toba mwabwewu Imanya takpa fuwe Tori kwa nande kwaro Shoba nkotonso Jai Tenkoba lei Ikwebo Baba lae Tenkoba lei Ina supancha Oloye ti Tenkoba memiwa Toba no emanu Hey Alele Tenkobo Omeka bataga Tenkobo fascinated Obukwa suwago nata Tenkobo Omeka Ulama Majalumbe Onatakbo Bodania Tenkobo facility. Sokolobo Yoruba. She didn't tell us, say, make you travel and see. Don't yank them, no one got go to Italy. But to get something cover, what do you want to do?